After launching Revit, the Revit Home Page will be presented. On the right, there is a list of all the projects that I have recently worked on. I can open up those projects directly from the Revit Home Page by clicking on any of these icons. Down here, there is a list of Revit families that I have recently worked on. Families in Revit are objects like doors and windows that are similar in some characteristics. Here on the left under Model, we can open an existing project or create a new one. Click on Open to open a project.
The Revit files are the ones ending with the extension .rvt.
Under Family, we can open an existing family or create a new one by clicking these two buttons. If the concept of families is not clear to you, don't hurry. We will learn about them in the next episodes.
If you're finding this video helpful, check out revitgamers.com. Our courses go beyond the basics, bringing Revit to life with hundreds of dynamic visuals and animations that make complex concepts feel easy. This unique training approach is designed to speed up your learning and make BEAM adoption smoother than ever. Every day, more students and companies are joining Revit Gamers Club to elevate their Revit skills. Don't miss out. Head to revitgamers.com and see how Revit training can be fun, visual, and incredibly effective.
Now let's create a new project by clicking New under the model. Then in the New Project window, select Architectural Template. Revit templates give us fundamental objects and settings to start a new project. In other words, they are like the starting point of a project containing some essential tools. Click on OK to create a new project. In the next session, I will explain the different parts of this interface. However, it's worth noting that initiating a new project or accessing existing ones can also be accomplished within the interface itself. Just click on the File option located at the corner of the screen and select either New or Open, and then from the expanded menu select either Project or Family. Additionally, you can use the keyboard shortcuts Ctrl-N for creating a new project, or Ctrl-O for opening an existing one. Also, you can use the shortcut Ctrl-D to navigate between the interface and the home page.